In the criminal justice system, the people are represented by two separate yet equally important groups: the police who investigate crime and the district attorneys who prosecute the offenders. These are their stories.
Order! Order! I, Fred Phelps, the leader of the Westboro Baptist Church, call this meeting into order.
Hey, should we talk about how America is doomed?
Yes, my favorite subject. Let's talk about how those treacherous homosexuals are allowed into the U.S. military.
We should make America aware of their sins.
Yes, perfect. Now how should we do it?
Why, I think we should picket at U.S. military funerals.
Oh, evil! I love it.
Oh no, Matthew, why did you have to go? Lance Corporal Snyder was a great soldier, and he will be missed dearly. Oh, Batman, why? Why did he have to leave? Do you think this is a good idea?
Yes, it is our First Amendment right to free speech.
Thank God for dead soldiers. Thank God for dead soldiers. Thank God for dead soldiers.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Batman.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Calling the case of Snyder versus Phelps. Plaintiff, make your case.
Well, see, this man over here, he was picketing signs like God hates fags and thank God for dead soldiers at my son's funeral. No parent should ever have to deal with that sort of thing at their child's funeral. Therefore, I'm suing him on the grounds of severe emotional distress.
Well, see, it is my First Amendment right, protected by the Free Speech Clause, to picket at your son's funeral. We complied with all police orders and picketed on land adjacent to your son's funeral. Therefore, I am not the cause of the emotional distress.
After my deliberations, I award $5 million to the plaintiff.
I do not think this will work for me.
We, the Supreme Court, rule in favor of Phelps in an 8-1 decision. We have determined that the church was speaking on matters of public concern as opposed to matters of purely private significance. We have explained that speech deals with matters of public concern when it can be fairly considered as relating to any matter of political, social, or other concern to the community. Speech on public issues is entitled to special protection under the First Amendment because it serves the principle that debate on public issues should be uninhibited, robust, and wide open.
Miss Mapp, you're being arrested. Why? Reasons. Come with me. You can't be here. Where's your warrant? Wait a moment. We have your warrant now. No! Don't take me! She's guilty, Your Honor. Sounds fair. Miss Mapp, I, a judge, have decided you're guilty of possession of obscene materials.
But I was arrested illegally, and they shouldn't care what I own.
I don't care.
Fine, I'm taking this to the Supreme Court.
Later.
I'm not guilty, Your Supreme Honor.
Why?
Because they violated my First Amendment right. When they arrested me, they didn't even have a warrant for my arrest to begin with.
Is this true? I mean, technically, yes. You can't do that. But she's guilty. That's irrelevant. Let me go make my decision. Later on. Miss Mapp, the Supreme Court has accepted your appeal. This is not a First Amendment issue, but rather one of the Fourth Amendment, because the evidence was illegally seized.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What do I want to do with my life? I know. I'll go to medical school, and I will learn to be a doctor. I will go to UC Davis because I have all the credentials to get in there, and they will definitely accept me. Let me go mail my letter. As headmaster of UC Davis, let me review my applications. Alan Baki. White, male, and he is unqualified. Therefore, he is rejected. John Bones. He is a minority and he demonstrates financial need. Therefore, he is accepted. What? I got rejected from UC Davis even though I had all the qualifications? And they let in a Bone student, he didn't even have all my qualifications. Ugh, that's it. I'm going to apply there next year. My application's going to be so amazing, they're definitely going to have to accept me. Ugh. Alan Baki. I remember him from last year, but he is just not qualified. I am going to have to reject him again. What? Rejected again from UC Davis? Even though I had all the qualifications and they let another Bone student in who didn't even have all my qualifications? I will not stand for this. I am suing. The court is in session. The court is in session. Alan Baki, state your case. My rights have been broken under the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, which allows me to have the same opportunities as all other citizens, and therefore I should not be discriminated based on quota systems at top colleges. All right, very well. UC Davis, state your case. We rejected Alan Baki because he was unqualified. Not because he was not a minority or because he didn't demonstrate financial need. It was purely based upon his academic abilities. Very well. After some lengthy debate, Judge Judy has returned with her verdict. After discussion, we believe that Baki should be admitted. However, we also believe that affirmative action programs are legal and are not in violation of the Constitution, but that quotas must not be allowed, as they do unfairly discriminate to citizens that are not belonging to a minority group. The court is adjourned.